So the topic is intercepts made by the line 13x plus 7y plus 11 equal to 0. So here the basic question is the intercept form is, so what is the intercept form? What is that? X by a plus y by b equal to 1. So the x intercept equal to x intercept, that is equal to a, and y intercept, that is equal to b. So that means the 13x plus 7y plus 11 equal to 0 is convert into convert into what is the form? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So first 13x plus 7y plus 11 equal to 0. That means here we need equal to 1. For getting equal to 1, this is a constant. The constant will be converted into constant term is transformed into right side, right side of equation. So that is nothing but 13x plus 7y, this is equal to plus is converted into this side, that is this side we get minus, and we need minus 11. Here we need 1. For getting a 1, divided by minus 11, so therefore what is it? Therefore we get that thirteen x plus 7y that is 13x plus 7y divided by minus 11 is equal to minus 11 by minus 11. So implies we get that 13x by minus 11 plus 7y by minus 11 by 11, the value is equal to 1, and it is nothing but x by minus 11 by 13 plus y by minus 11 by 37 is equal to 1, which is convert into x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So therefore x intercept equal to, that is equal to a, that is nothing but minus 11 by 13, and y intercept equal to b, that is nothing but minus 11 by 7. Okay, similarly we do that. Okay, and next we do that the second question is, find the distance between find the distance between two parallel lines. So this is the most important. Find the distance between two parallel lines. What are the two parallel lines? 5x minus 5 plus 11 equal to 0 and 5x minus 5 plus 13 equal to 0. Therefore, first we have the two parallel lines. We written as two parallel lines. So what is the form of two parallel lines? Ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0. So these two are the two parallel. When you have the two parallel lines, ax plus by, ax plus by, these two are same. And what is the difference? The difference is a constant term, that is c1 and c2. So here that two equations. And what is the question? The question is we need to find the distance between two parallel lines. If you are writing, this is a first parallel line and this is a second parallel line, that is ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0. This is the first one, and next one is ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0. We need to find the distance between this part. Distance. We need to find the distance. Find this one. For getting a d, what is the formula? c2 minus c1 by root of a square plus b square modulus. If you have a distance, the distance is always positive. So therefore, first you are writing that 5x minus y plus 11 equal to 0. This will compare to that ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0. Therefore, a equal to 5, b equal to minus 1 and c1 equal to 11. And next one, and 5x minus 5 plus 13 equal to 0. This is nothing but ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0. These two parts are same. 5x minus 5, 5 minus same. So therefore, c2 equal to 13. Substitute these values. If I am taking this is 1 and this is 2. Substitute 2 in 1. So therefore, the distance d equal to modulus of 13 minus 11 divided by root of 5 square plus minus 1 whole square. This is nothing but a 2 by root of 25 plus 1, nothing but 2 by root 26. So what is the distance between two lines? These two lines, the distance equal to 2 by root 26. So here this is the most important model. We need to find the distance between two parallel lines. If we have, when you say that two parallel lines, these two terms becomes to same. 5x minus 5, 5x minus 5. Here what is the form of two parallel lines? Ax plus by, ax plus by. These two are same. And what is the difference between these two lines? See, the constants will be changes. C1, here we have a C1 and here we have C2. Therefore, what is the formula for distance? The distance equal to C2 minus C1 by root of a square plus b square. So we do that 5x minus 5 plus 11 equal to 0. We do compare. This is nothing but a compare. So therefore, we compare that first equation. We get that a equal to 5, b equal to minus 1 and c equal to 11. Similarly, we get that c2 equal to 13 and we taken as these two are the 2 and this is the basic formula 1. Therefore, we substitute 2 in 1, we get that d equal to 2 by root 26. And next one is find the equation of straight line. The next question, third question is, find the equation of straight line. Straight line passing through the point three comma minus 4 and perpendicular to perpendicular to 5x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. So here we do that. So this is the equation. What is the form? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is a basic equation. And we need to perpendicular this line. So for this perpendicular, this is a perpendicular line. Find the equation of straight line passing through the point and perpendicular. So this is a perpendicular line. This is a perpendicular line. Perpendicular line. So what is the perpendicular line here? It is bx minus ay